Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Ranger clutch. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a transmission jack, a complete socket set, and wrenches. Make sure you have a new clutch kit, a new pilot bearing, and a new throwout bearing ready. Begin by disconnecting the battery and safely raising your vehicle on jack stands or a lift to access the underside. Next, you'll need to prepare the transmission for removal. Start by draining the transmission fluid completely. Then, disconnect the driveshaft from the rear axle and the transmission, carefully setting it aside. Unplug all electrical connectors and detach any shift linkages or hydraulic lines. Support the engine with a jack, then unbolt and carefully lower the transmission using a transmission jack. With the transmission out, you can now access the clutch components. Remove the old pressure plate and clutch disc from the flywheel. Inspect the flywheel for any damage, resurface or replace it if necessary. Install the new pilot bearing into the crankshaft. Use an alignment tool to center the new clutch disc, then install the new pressure plate, tightening the bolts evenly. Now it's time for reassembly. Carefully raise the transmission back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the engine and bell housing bolts. Reconnect all electrical connectors, hydraulic lines, and the drive shaft. Refill the transmission with the correct fluid. Finally, bleed the clutch hydraulic system to remove any air, ensuring smooth and proper clutch pedal operation before your first test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.